Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Want this? Let's start. First open PicsArt. Tap on plus icon and go to edit a photo. Now add your photo. Now tap on tools and go to stretch. Now tap on swirl CW and apply swirl on all part of the photo. Now save the photo. Now go to cutout. Tap on shape. Now make a circle cutout from any part of the photo. Now go to stickers. Tap on search option and search crescent moon. Now apply sticker on the left corner. Save the photo. Now again go to cutout and take a circle cutout. Save the photo. Now go to remove BG. Tap on black color. Now adjust the photo. Save the photo. Now go to brushes. Tap on stars. Adjust the opacity and size. Now tap on photo to apply. Now save the photo to gallery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.